Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send a Calendly invite. Let's get started. First, go to calendly.com, then click on Login at the top right corner. This will lead you to your dashboard containing all of your events. On your selected event that you want to share, simply click on this Copy Link button, and a link will automatically be added to your clipboard. Just paste this link wherever you want to paste it to send it to others. And that is how you can easily send a Calendly invite. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.